What's up, guys? It's your boy Courage X. Today we're gonna be looking at bad Miiverse posts because I got nothing else to do, and yeah. So let's get started. Haha, Miiverse. Oh, you fucking piece. I like doodles.
Morphe's top tier waifu.
I found some freaking pic on my phone that says the Miiverse movie means out of water. Bigley as SpongeBob, Shrek as Patrick, Corey Baxter as Squid.
I shaved my feet. I don't even know why. I never wear sandals.
My wife Helen left me. Mega Man, please.
Okay, I draw him for you. Dude, the admins are coming for your soul!
Hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, cause they're raping everybody.
It really bothers me that Plato has a dot standing next to his mate, floating midair. Apparently, it's a black navy.
It really bothers me that my wife left me.
Miiverse is unfair! The admins are in there, plotting their digression, never having a confession! Ah! I hate this plot!
Miiverse was never fun to begin with. But I'm staying here anyways.
My school has Five Nights at Freddy's Club, an MLG Club, an Anime Club, and My Little Pony Club. Whatever.
Rice man, awesome Miiverse.
It's a little late, but me and my friend wrote a song, so... Oh, you better not lie, you better not fight, you better not kill, I'm telling you what, so...
Get spanned, admin. It's just a prank, bro. Creation was just a prank, bro. It's just a prank, bro.
But what if it wasn't a prank?
9/11's just a prank, bro.
Does this me look similar to something else?
An annoying Twinkie? Tell me I'm pretty.
I'm pretty.
You are. Was that me? It's a hot me, I know. I'm fabulous.
Truth.
So fab, baby.
I know, right? Oh my gosh, so hot. 10 out of 10 with
Grump. Look ridiculous. Let's grump, Trump.
You're pretty. Kisses you on the nose. Heart attack.
Donald Trump?
Donald Trump. Pika, 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 pika. Pika, 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 Pikachu. Pika, pika, pika.
My me is better than everyone else's me. Yeah.
You look old.
Oh!